Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Balaji Chandrasekharan. Now I will be discussing the ways to create the streams in Java. The Java streams can be created from various sources such as collections, arrays, or even directly from individual elements. Here are some common ways to create streams. You can create a stream from a collection using the stream method provided by the collection interface. This method converts the collection into sequential stream allowing you to perform various stream operations on its elements. This creates a sequential stream which processes the elements of the collection in the order they appear in the collection. If you need parallel processing, you can convert the sequential stream into a parallel stream using the parallel stream method. This will create a parallel stream which can process elements concurrently and potentially improve performance for large collections when used with parallel processing operations. In Java, you can create a stream from an array using the arrays.stream method or directly calling the stream.off method. Both methods allow you to convert an array into a sequential stream, enabling you to perform various stream operations on its elements. Both methods produces a sequential stream which processes the elements of the array in the order they appear in the array. If parallel processing is needed, you can convert the sequential stream into a parallel stream using the parallel method. In Java, you can create a stream with an infinite number of elements using the stream.generate method. This method takes a supplier function interface as the argument, which generates the elements of the stream. In the given generate example, we created a stream of random integers between 0 and 99 using the system.generate method. We pass a lambda expression new random dot next int of 100 to the generate method, which generates a random integer between 0 and 99 each time it is called. The system.generate method is useful when you need to create a stream with an infinite number of elements, such as when generating random numbers or iterating over a sequence. It is important to use the limit or other limiting operations to avoid processing an infinite stream indefinitely. In Java, you can create a stream with a fixed number of elements or an infinite number of elements using the stream.iterate method. This method takes an initial seed value and a unary operator, a function that takes one argument and returns a result of the same type as its operand to generate the subsequent elements of the stream. In the given example, we pass an initial seed value of 1 and a unary operator n tends to n plus 1 to the iterate method, which generates the next element of the stream by adding 1 to the previous element. The stream.iterate method is useful when you need to create a stream with a sequential series of elements, such as when generating consecutive numbers or iterating over a sequence. It is important to use the limit method or other limiting operations to avoid processing an infinite stream indefinitely. In Java, the stream.empty method is used to create an empty stream. It returns a sequential stream with no elements. This can be useful when you need to represent a stream with no data. For example, in situations where you want to gracefully handle empty cases in stream processing operations. You can create a stream of lines from a buffer reader using the lines method. This method returns a stream of strings where each string represents a line of text read from the input source. It is important to handle the potential I/O exceptions that may occur when working with the file I/O operations, which is why we need to use a try with resources statement to ensure that the buffer reader is closed properly after use. This approach is commonly used when you need to process the lines of a file or any other input source as a stream of strings in Java. In Java, you can create stream of primitive data types such as int, long, and double using the specialized stream interfaces IntStream, LongStream, and DoubleStream respectively. These specialized stream interfaces provide additional methods tailoring for working with their corresponding primitive data types. Some of the examples of how to create an IntStream LongStream, or DoubleStream are shown in the screen. These specialized stream interfaces provide methods for performing common operations on primitive data types such as summing, averaging, and finding minimum or maximum values, making them more convenient for working with numeric data. The concat method in the stream class creates a lazily concatenated stream whose elements are all the elements of the first stream followed by all the elements of the second stream. This resulting stream is ordered if both of the input streams are ordered and parallel if either of the input stream is parallel. When the resulting stream is closed, the close handlers for both input streams are invoked. The stream.builder method in Java is used to create a mutable stream builder for adding elements to a stream dynamically. It allows you to build a stream by adding the elements one by one and then finally build the stream. The stream.builder method is particularly useful when you want to create a stream and add elements to it dynamically, especially when the number of elements is not known in advance. It provides a flexible way to construct the streams with the fluent and concise syntax. These are some of the common ways to create streams in Java 8. Once you have a stream, you can perform various intermediate and terminal operations to process the elements of the stream. I will discuss the intermediate and terminal operations and the stream usage in the next sessions. Thanks for watching my video.